Okay guys, good morning. Explaining why I took this trade. We see high frequency trading reversal here on market open with no volume, so I will not trade this. We saw the 50,000 volume candle in this reversal here, so this means something. Okay, so the market tried to go higher, but no volume.
Sweet.
All the volume died, so there was nothing to do here. Then it got all messed up. Then they dropped the bomb here. High frequency trader selling triangles here, and correlation to the downside. Okay, so the market just stopped here. Exactly, we see in the micro ES high frequency traders buying this support. Okay, so we see an imbalance here to the upside, and we saw high frequency trader triangles here, reversal, and the market is grinding slowly. Nasdaq is stopping the market from going higher. Nasdaq is just doing nothing here. Okay, we see lots of selling in this area. You see the tape magenta lines here. So market is grinding to the upside. We never know what's gonna do, so we're just gonna protect here, and we're gonna wait and see. The worst can
Sweet.
happen here. We're gonna get stopped out or break even. Okay, so we'll see if we can get to the target and see what happens, guys. I'm gonna pause the video. Okay guys, market just reversed a little
Order
bit.
submitted.
We're gonna add a limit order here to add to the position. Almost stopped me out, almost, but it didn't. So if the Nasdaq continues to the upside, we're gonna see higher prices. Okay, we got filled. Let's see if the market can continue. You always need to check, guys. You see this 30,000 volume candle, but you see one previous candle of 20K or something. Okay, you see much volume here. Then volume decreases. All these guys are already into something. Okay, remember that these guys have deep pockets, and you need to check that this drawdown it's not worth for them. They don't give a much importance if they're gonna get a drawdown, but these guys have more information than we do. We saw the Nasdaq all green, 246. Okay, micro ES going higher too, lots of volume. We have imbalance here. Let's see if we can get to the target. And you see the high frequency triangles here. You need to check this too. Okay, so these guys work very quickly, so you gotta be aware of that. If you see high volume, okay, you see high
Sweet.
volume, they're up to something. Then you take advantage. Once this market starts making 2-3 bars, you will go with the trend. Okay, you can find they keep on buying here, you see two, and we didn't see a counter trend triangle here. So this was a buy and sell here, then they bought again here. So they add to that position. You see one here too.
Target filled.
Okay, there you go, guys. So that's why I explain how the trade works. It's all catching, putting attention to the tape. If you don't learn how to read the tape, no matter what system you have, you will never make it in this market. Never. You need to read the tape. At least try. Okay, so you try. It's at first it's a little bit difficult, but then with time you're gonna start watching the patterns. Okay, how they manipulate the market when they start accumulating in a downtrend. making a kind of a reversal, then or when they're buying, want to try to sell it. Okay, so you see over here this big candle here. You see, let's see. Okay, you see this candle here. It was over almost 40K candle. Then the market tanked. Okay, you see this selling, double selling here, two triangles. Then they start selling again here, bought again here, they bought again here, because they were gonna reverse the market. That's all they're gonna do. So you follow the bigger candles in the reversals. Okay, so that's when your trade can start. Don't trade when the market has no volume. If the market has no volume, don't trade, because you're just gonna be trap trader. Okay, so you're gonna be part of the history. So don't do that. Just wait for the market. Wait. Go do anything else. Play something. Watch YouTube videos or whatever. But don't get into the market, else you will be chopped out. These guys are incredible with these high frequency trading systems. They do break everybody's bank. They're just trying to get your money. That's it. Okay, guys. So thanks for being watching the video. If you're interested in the system, there's the link in the description of this video. You can contact me. There's my email. And thanks for watching, guys.